It's Ray. I know I've been gone for a while, you guys. I don't have an excuse. But today I'm going to do my eyebrow routine. I get a lot of compliments on my eyebrows, and y'all, I use 3 products on my eyebrows. I do not go to get my eyebrows waxed. I don't get them threaded. I don't do anything. I just do them myself at home. I do them about once a week. This is not as, I forgot. Disclaimer, y'all. I know that I look crazy. Just work with me, okay? I haven't done my hair yet. I'm about to go somewhere, and I'm just trying to bring you guys this eyebrow tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys the finished look at the end once I put my hair on and do my makeup. I'm doing 2 videos, so I couldn't decide which one I wanted to do first. I thought it would be more beneficial to do my eyebrows first, then my hair, so that when I go to do my hair video, at least I have my eyebrows on. But I guess I could have at least had my hair on for when I do my eyebrows. I don't know, y'all. Just, you know, it's a struggle. But I'm gonna show you guys how to do my eyebrow routine. It's very quick, it's very easy, anybody can do it. It's super beginner friendly. So if you're interested, keep watching. First thing you're gonna need is a spoolie. I got this out of a makeup set, but e.l.f. sells one for 99 cents, and some eyebrow products have spoolies on the end as well. You're gonna need this little eyebrow trimmer thing that you can get from the beauty supply store. It's like 99 cents. You're gonna need a product to fill your eyebrows in. I'm using the e.l.f. Instant Brow Lift Pencil. You're gonna need some concealer. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Cashmere. Okay, and then, oh, I forgot, you're gonna need some little eyebrow scissors. You're gonna need a brush to carve out that concealer that you're gonna put under your eyebrows. You're gonna need another brush to like blend it out a little bit better, and you're gonna need some eyebrow gel, or if you use a pomade, then you don't have to use eyebrow gel, but I'm not using pomade, so that's why I'm using eyebrow gel. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take this spoolie. I need a mirror. I'll be right back. Now my mirror is dirty as ever, okay? Don't judge me. So the first thing that we're gonna do is brush our eyebrow hairs up. Just gonna get everything into place, and so we can see what we need to trim, y'all. I got little, how do you have dandruff in your eyebrows? That's how you know that I'm dry. I have dry skin because I have dandruff flying off. Okay, I have thick eyebrows, so I have thick eyebrows and I like them that way. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my thick eyebrows. If you don't like thick eyebrows, you like thinner eyebrows, that's fine. But I like mine thick because I think it looks very natural. So we're gonna start like right here on this edge, and we're just gonna go down and like get those little hairs. This is all I do. I used to get my eyebrows waxed once a week, y'all, once a week. But I stopped doing it because it got expensive, number 1, and then number 2, I don't like the way they do my eyebrows all the time. Sometimes they would mess them up. And it really doesn't take a lot. Now that we like use makeup to like get our eyebrows pretty much how we want, it doesn't take a lot to do your eyebrows or to get them. Anybody could do their own eyebrows. Okay, and I also get like this little tail end because I like mine like really sharp. I kind of like to create my own shape on the end, so I get that too. Y'all see what that looks like, and see, we're pretty much done. If you want to, you can kind of like go in on the end right there, but I would recommend if you're a beginner, not to, because you might mess something up. You might be looking crazy, girl. Okay, now we're gonna brush the hair down and we're gonna go across the top. Now with going across the top, we're not, hold on y'all. All right, y'all, I'm back. Mommy duties. So, like I was saying, now we're about to do this side and we're just gonna do the top. Our goal is not to take off any of the eyebrow. It's just to make sure we don't have any hair growing above the eyebrow, because y'all, if I don't do this, I will have like little hairs growing from here all the way to my hairline, and we don't want that. And it just makes your eyebrows look very clean. All right. So that's done, and it's okay if you don't have the perfect shape. I don't have the perfect shape from years of like over plucking and just, my shape is not perfect, but it'll look good once I go to fill it in. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is brush the hairs up and out. Like the ones on the end, you're gonna brush out, and then the ones in the middle, you're gonna brush up. And we're gonna take our little eyebrow scissors and we are gonna just trim up those hairs. And this is so that when we put our eyebrow gel on, it like, no hairs are like sticking up everywhere. Alright, and we're done with this eyebrow. So now we can go ahead and fill it in, and I'll show you guys what it looks like, how I fill my eyebrows in, being that I have kind of thick eyebrows. So I'm using the Instant Brow Lift Pencil by e.l.f. I really like this pencil because it's like very waxy, and it's just easy to use. You don't have to use this one. I would recommend you try it, but if you're looking for like an affordable eyebrow pencil, but you don't have to use it. If you like how your eyebrows look with pomade, or you have a signature product that you want to use, then girl, use what you have. And in the front, I'm just like creating a line to just make sure it's super defined. And then I don't really outline my brows. I only outline it like right here. And for the rest of it, I just create like little lines. I do kind of create a line, an outline right here, because I really don't have a defined shape right here. So I create a little line right there. And then I kind of just fill it in with my pencil, and that's it. Not hard at all. Anybody could do it. See? And what I like to do for the beginning, I like to make it look like my eyebrows like kind of like feathered a little bit. This is kind of hard to do sometimes because you don't want it to look like you did that. See, like that looks kind of crazy, but this thing has a spoolie on the end, so you can kind of like blend it really good though, like, and it creates like a little shadow almost, and it looks good once you carve it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna carve out this brow, and this concealer, guys, it works really good. I really like this. I've never used the Tarte Shape Tape, but I heard that this was a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape, and I believe it because it's so thick. Okay, I'm gonna just put some on my hand like that, and then I'm gonna take my little handy dandy little, I don't even know what this brush is for, but I use this for my eyebrows, and I'm gonna, you want to get as close to your eyebrows, to your eyebrow hair as possible to get that really super clean look. Okay. I'm gonna try not to block the shot. Same thing up top. You wanna just, and I know some people don't like to do this because they say like it gives you a halo brow, but I never have halo brows. But my brows do be looking like super crisp and clean, and that's what I like. If you don't want to do this, then that's fine, but I like that super crisp look. And once you put on your foundation, like, you're not even gonna notice. It's gonna just blend in. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it a little bit more. Just make sure this concealer is like as straight as possible. If you guys had like a flat brush, that would probably work so much better. I should get one of those because actually I do have one, but I like to use it for my eyeshadow, and I don't really. Alright. So now we're going to use our little Real Techniques brush. And this brush is really good for like blending out concealer and products. So I'm just gonna blend it out. See how it's blending it so nice? Like, that's what you want. And this one's done. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. I'm gonna like kind of speed through this one and take the sound off so you guys can just watch me do this one really quick, and I'll come back and show you guys what my eyebrows look like when they're done, and then I will come back and show you what these brows look like with my makeup. So I'm done with my eyebrows. I know they look kind of crazy, but ignore the white castiness of it all and just look at the shape, okay? Just look at the crispness, okay? Just look at the I don't know, like it don't look like I drew them on. Like it looks like my hair. Granted, I do have thick eyebrows, but I think they look pretty good. So the last thing I'm gonna do is use this e.l.f. clear brow mascara gel or whatever, just to set my eyebrows. And guys, keep in mind, I know this looks crazy, but this is like this is what my eyebrows look like when I'm gonna do a full face of makeup. If I'm not gonna do a full face of makeup, I'm not gonna do my eyebrows like this bold and this like this. If you want me to do, this is the everyday brow look, but if you want me to do a more natural look, like that would go with like a no makeup look, you can check out my previous video, I believe, that shows you like my no makeup routine. That's how I would do them for that, as far as the products that I would use. But for like a full glam, I'm about to do my makeup, so like a full glam type of look, this is the eyebrow routine that I'm going to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I gotta go because I got somewhere to go. I'm about to make another video. It's gonna be a hair review, so you guys stay tuned. You guys, Saturday, so y'all enjoy your Saturday, enjoy your weekend. I love you. Bye. All right guys, I'm back. So this is what my eyebrows look like. I told you I was gonna do my hair. This is what my eyebrows look like with my full face of makeup. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what they look like. See, they look really good. They're nice and dark. You could also darken them up if you wanted to a little bit more, but this is what I'm looking like, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely like it, and I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. I do beauty videos, basically beauty videos right now. So if you like this type of content and you like what you saw today, then go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.